Well, hey guys, today I'm drawing Reze from Chainsaw Man, and in this video I'll let you guys know how I do my outlining, so watch the video till the end. First of all, I'll start with the circle for the face. This helps me to decide where my face is gonna be and also the size of the face. After drawing the circle, I'll add some guidelines for the face which helps me to draw the eyes, nose, mouth and other stuffs. You can draw the guidelines as per your reference. Okay, now I have completed the face part. Yes, I still have to draw the hair. I know that, but before that, I'll draw the rough sketch for the body. I'm using simple shapes to draw rough outline of the body. Now I'll erase it and I'll add the details. While drawing the body, one thing that you have to keep in your mind is the proportions. If that isn't right, the drawing will look really bad. So make sure you draw with patience and with full focus. Okay, let's do the last part that is left out. That is the hair. Now I have completed the outline. Let's erase the outline and do the inking. Be sure to use a thin fine liner because this is not the final inking. It's just to help us with the painting. The coloring of the drawing. Now we have finished the inking. Let's start with the base color for the skin. Well, that is drying. Let's color the hair. I'm using alcohol markers for the hair because I have the exact color of Reze's hair. So the skin is dried up now. Let's add the shadows for the skin. I have mixed little bit of purple and little bit of pink for the skin. Now let's add the shadows for her clothes and also color grey and black for her pants. Alright, now the coloring is completed. After doing the proper inking once again, this is the final result. Comment on how it looks, and if you like this drawing, give a like. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Until then, peace out.